Hi, my name is Ashton. I'm Director of Business Strategy here at TaxHack Accounting Group. And today we have Ryan Moss on the line, who is our e-commerce tax specialist with a focus on sales tax. And we're going to get into sales tax for online sellers. Ryan, how are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. So, one of the main things that we want to get started off, just, how do you handle taxes as an e-commerce company?
Yeah, it's a great question, and it's gotten a lot more difficult since June of 2018. There was a decision. It was Wayfair versus South Dakota, which basically required out-of-state or remote sellers to collect sales taxes in states where they previously did not have a sales tax obligation. So I would say probably the most challenging aspect as an e-commerce seller is going to be compliance in general, knowing when you need to register. Knowing when you need to file sales tax returns, collect it from your customers, and things of that nature, and which I anticipate we'll get into later on.
Yeah, definitely. And what is sales tax? Why is it important?
Yeah, so sales tax is a consumption tax that is imposed by the government on the sales of goods and services, generally taxable goods and services. And it's obviously a very important stream of revenue for the governments themselves. And it's not just the state governments, it's local governments, counties, things of that nature. Obviously the easiest thing to think about what is a sales tax is, when you go and buy something from Target or, a retail store, Walmart, you look at the very bottom of your receipt, you see sales tax, and, everybody pays it. There's certain things that are exempt from sales tax, but generally speaking, it is a transaction-based tax that is imposed on the consumption of goods and services.
And is it the same thing as use tax? What is use tax?
So use taxes is going to be a little different. Use taxes, and I think it's easier if I give an example. So let's say your company and you're located in Texas, and you buy a taxable good that a vendor does not charge sales tax on. You have a requirement to report that purchase for use to the state and basically pay the sales and use tax rates are the same rate. So in Texas, I believe it's a flat 6% for the state rate. So let's say you buy something and you consume it in the state, but you did not pay sales tax on it. That's going to be called use tax. So use tax is also a consumption tax, but it's imposed on the actual purchaser and not the seller.
Got it.